In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Go2bank account online in 2025. Let's dive right in. To begin setting up your account, you'll want to start with the enrollment process. You have two options here. Either visit the official Go2bank website or download the Go2bank mobile app. Both platforms are equally efficient, so feel free to choose whichever method suits you best. Next, it's time to provide your email address. Make sure to enter a current and valid email that you frequently access. This email will be crucial for managing your account and receiving important updates or notifications from Go2bank. So double check that it's correctly entered before proceeding. After you've entered your email, the next step is to verify your mobile number. Go2bank will send a verification code to your phone, which you'll need to enter back in to confirm your number. It's a straightforward step, but essential for securing your account. Now on to identity verification, an integral part of the enrollment process. You'll need to provide some personal information: your full name, residential address, date of birth, social security number, and phone number. These details help ensure that your account is uniquely identified and secure. Additionally, Go2bank will ask you to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the image is clear and legible to avoid any delays in verification. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review your application. Confirm that all your details are accurate and up to date. Then, you'll need to read through and agree to the terms and conditions set by Go2bank. This step might seem tedious, but understanding the policies is crucial. When everything looks good, go ahead and submit your application. Go2bank will then review it and inform you of their decision. Should your application be approved, you'll receive an approval notification. Following this, your Go2bank Visa R debit card should arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once you have your card in hand, you'll need to activate it. Log into your Go2bank account via the website or mobile app and follow the instructions to activate your debit card. You'll need specific details like the last 4 digits of your card number, its expiration date, the 3-digit security code on the back, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. With your card activated, the final step is adding funds to your new Go2bank account. You can do this through various methods, including direct deposit, mobile check deposit, or transferring money from another bank. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. And there you have it. You now know how to create and set up a Go2bank account online. With your account ready to go, you're all set to manage your finances with ease and convenience. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your new Go2bank account.